bell to get the nimble updates for latest videos.
Before starting the video, I would like to tell you something about IBPSguide.com. In their website, they provide a daily free question which help you to boost your preparation either for banking or SSC examination. Also, you can check out their test series which has high standard questions with a detailed solution, and at the end of each test, we provide with smart analysis that how well you performed, which are the area you must work on, and also test series are available in both language, that is Hindi as well as English. It is accessible on both desktop as well as mobile app, whichever suits on you. For more information, you can visit estore.ibpsguide.com. Now let's move toward our video.
Hello everyone, welcome to IBPS Guide. I am Kashish Gol, your reasoning guide, and today we are back with the session for SBI PO Mains 2019. And in today's session, we are going to do a direction based question, but it's gonna be the high level question, and this is gonna be the challenge for you. Okay, so you have to do it in minimum time of interval. So before proceeding toward the question, I would like to request you all, please do subscribe to our channel, do like the video, and do share it with your friends. And don't forget to visit estore.ipsguide.com for the quality mock test. So let's proceed toward our question. So here's the question. Okay, the information is given here, and we have three questions. So first of all, pause the video, try to do it yourself, and submit your answer in the comment section box. Let's see who will answer these questions. I want to know who gonna answer all these three questions from this distance and direction question. This is gonna be a challenge. Okay, you have to do it in minimum time. You have to take the minimum time and do it. So let's see the solution. So let's see what we have. Three friends, Roy, Tom and Mike, start walking towards town hall from their respective home. So there are three persons, Roy, Tom and Mike. They are start walking towards town hall. Okay, their destination is town hall. Okay, and they are moving from their respective home. So let's see what we have. Point B is 28 meters south of point M. So there we have nothing else. We have just the 2 points. That is point B and point M. And what are they saying? That point B is in the south of point M. So just let, if point M is here, okay, B must be in the south. South direction is downward direction. If you don't know the concepts of distance and direction, you must go and watch my concept video on distance and direction. Link will be given in the description box, or you can visit our playlist. So B is in the south. So there you have B. Okay, and the distance between M and B is 28. So I just written it now. Clear? Next, Tom standing at point A. Now we have the starting point of Tom. Okay, the Tom is standing at point A. So just suppose we have point A. This is point A. From here, who is starting? Tom is starting from here. Clear? And walk 12 meters towards it. So he must be walking 12 meters towards it. So this will be the east. That is 12 meters to reach point E. So this point must be E, and takes a left turn of 24 meters to reach point L. Now, if you are moving in the east direction, what will be the left? Okay, just keep one thing in mind. Whenever you are taking left turn, it must be in anti-clockwise direction, and when taking a right turn, it must be in clockwise direction. Okay, like this. If you have this one directions, then left will always move in anti-clockwise and right will always move in clockwise direction. Clear? So we have to take a left turn. So left turn is in the anti-clockwise direction, and we have to move 24 meters. So from here you have to move 24 meters. So there you have point L. Okay, which is 24 meters from point E. Got this? Now next, point G is 48 meters south of point J and is 28 meters east of point L. Now we have point G, which is in the south of J and east of point L. So we have the point L. So you can make point G from here, because G is given to the east of L. So if L is here, east to the right side, and it is 28 meters. So this gonna be the G, The distance between L and G is 28 meter. And point G is in the south of point J. Now, what I have told you earlier in the concept video, that when G is in the south of point J, then J must be in the north of point G. Because the direction of 2 points are vice versa. Like see, from here you can see, B is in the south of M, so M is in the north of B. Clear? So just see here, G is 48 meters south of point J. So J must be north of G and it will be 48 meter. So you can make here J. So there you have J, which is 48 meter. Clear or not? Till now it is clear or not? Please let me know in the comment section box. Got this? Next. From point J, Tom takes a left turn of 16 meter to reach point H. Now from J, Tom will take a left turn. So left turn is again in anti-clockwise direction and moves a distance of 16 meter to reach point H. So he has to move in left direction, okay, or you can say west direction, and he has to move only 16 meter. So L and G is 28 and we have to move from J to H in the west direction and only 16. So H must be somewhere here. Okay, this is gonna be the H, and the distance between H and J is 16. It is 16. So what we have, if you have a point which is in the north of L and to the west of H, the distance between that point must be 12. Okay, that point must be 12. Just keep this thing in mind. Clear? Next, what we have, the point H, which is 32 meters south of point C. So H is in the south of point C. So the point C must be in the north of H. So just make it. There you have point C. This is the point C, and the distance between C and H is 32 meter. So there you have 32. Clear or not? Till now it is clear or not? Please let me know in the comment section box. Done? So next what we have, let's see. Roy is standing at point I. So Roy is standing at point I. So we have the starting point of Roy, that is I. So just keep this point, okay, because there is, you don't have any I. So there you have point I, from where Roy is starting its journey, which is 28 meter to point M. So see, we have M and Roy is on the point I, okay, and it is east of M. So to the east of M, there you must have I, okay, and here you have Roy, and the distance between M and I is 28 meter. Clear or not? Clear? If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section box. Clear? Okay, next. From point M, okay, so from point M, walks 28 meter towards his left, just like this. I, that is Roy, and that is point M. So from M it takes a left and moves 28 meter to reach point B. So it is already reached here. Okay, this is done. Now point D is 12 meter south of point F and is 16 meter east of point B. So we have point D. So we have point D, which is in the south of F and east of B. So we have point B. So from B it is in the east, okay, so it is 16 meter. So we have to go from B to its east. So east is in the right side and we have to just move only 16 meter. So this will be the point D, and point D is in the south of point F. So F is in the north of D and it is 12 meter. So there you have point F, which is 12 meter from here. Clear or not? Till now it is clear or not? This is the starting point of Roy, that is I. Clear? So let's see the next information. Mike, standing at point P, walk 28 meter towards west to reach point N. So we have again the starting point of Mike. So it is starting from point P. So this will be the starting point of Mike, and it moves 28 towards the west. Okay, so we have to go 28 towards west. So this is 28 to reach point N. So this is the point N. Clear? He again takes a left. So he will move into the anti-clockwise direction. So it will move to the downward direction, that is south direction, of 36 meter. So he will come from here like this to reach point Q. So this is a point Q and it is 36 meter. Clear or not? Clear? Q, which is 18 meter east of town hall. Now see, we get to know the point Q, which is in the 18 meter east of town hall. So town hall must be in the west of Q, that is here. Okay, so just let me change the color so that you can easily understand. So this will be the point X, you can say, or you can say the town hall. Okay, and the distance it is 18. Go this. Next, what we have? Point K is 12 meter west of point C. So point K is in the 12 meter west of point C. So from here, that is C, we have to go 12 meter, okay, to the west. So now see, when you are going 12 meter to the south of west of C, if between H and J distance is 16 and total LG is 28, and from C you have to move in the west direction and it is 12 meter, so K will automatically come in the north of L. So there you have point K, which is 12 meter to the west of point C. Clear? And is 48 meter north of town hall. Now what are they saying? That point K, that is this point, is 48 meter north of town hall. Now see what it actually means, that point X is in the south of K and it will be 48 meters. Now see how you can make it. Let's see, if K is here, you have to go in the south direction for 48. Now till to the west of H, it is 32. Clear? And we have to make total 48. So 32 is here and remaining 16 will come from this 48. So just come here. Okay, this one. So this total is, overall is 48. Clear? If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section box. And this will be the point X. Just keep it in mind. This is the point X. Clear? Now see, to the X, if you talk about this information, to the east of X it is Q and it is to the 18 meter. So you can make Q. So let's see, let's make Q. It is 18 meter to the east. So if it is 12, then 18 will come somewhere here. So there you have point Q, and which is 18 meter. Clear? And to the north of Q it is N, which is 36. So how to make now? See, if you are going 36 to the north, this is what we have taken, that 32 is this and 16 is this. So it will be 16 and we have to go 20 more. So it will be somewhere here. Clear? This will be the point N, and total this one is 36. Clear? And to the east of N it is point P and it is 28. So P must be somewhere here, that is point P, and it is 28. And from this point Mike has started its journey. Clear? Till now it is clear or not? Clear? Let's, what next information we have? Point F is 42 meter west of point Q. Now from this point Q, the direction of point F, that is this point, is 42 meter. Okay, this is 42 meter. So between X and Q it is already 18. So we have to move from X to the west direction, and we have to move, 18 is this, and we have to move total 42. So we have to make 24 more from here. Now to the west of X, let's move down for the point F, that is 24. So if A and E is 12 meter, so F must be somewhere here. So this will be the point F, and this distance will be 24, and this is 18. So total F to Q will become 42. Clear or not? Clear? Now we have to make point these points is. Now see, to the south of F it is D and it is 12 meter. So let's see what we actually have. So if it is 48, okay, but from C to G if you take total distance, it will become 60. It will be 48 plus 32, that is 80. And we have 48 this one, and we need only 12 to go. Okay, so 12 will come somewhere between, or you can say to the northwest of point L. Here, so there you have point D and it is 12, and to the west of D it is B, so B will be here and it is 16. Clear? And to the north of B it is 28 meter, it is M. So now see, when you are taking 28, so 12 is this one, and you already know that this distance I have told you that is 16. So it will become total 28. So it means M will come to the west of H. So okay, just make a dotted line so that you can clearly visible to you that it is here. This is the point M, and it is 28, and I is 28 meter to the east of M. Clear? So now we have to make 28. So it is 16 and this is total 24. So you have to come 12 more. So it will come to the north of point A. Clear or not? Clear. So this will be the point I, and the distance between M and I is 28, and this is the point from where Roy has started its journey. So this is the final diagram for our given question. Clear? So if you have any problem till now, if there is any point that you have not understood, please let me know. Clear? Now let's see directly the questions regarding this. So here are the questions. So first question is, what is the position of L with respect to town hall? Now we have to find out the direction of L with respect to town hall. So L is here and town hall is here. So L is in directly in the downward direction of town hall, that is in the south direction. So our answer will become south, that is option number B. Clear? That's it. Now second question, what is the shortest distance between Roy's initial position and town hall? So let's see, Roy's initial position is this one, clear, and town hall is this one. So we need a shorter distance. So shortest distance means this one. Shortest distance means this one. So we have to find out this one. So for this you need this one and this one to apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So what are these distances? So first of all, between this point and X, it is 12. Okay. And I and this point, it is 16. Clear? Because total is 28 and this is 12. So this will become 16. So to find out this one, we need square of 16 plus square of 12 and under root. I have already told you these concepts, okay, in the concept video. So go and watch this one. So 16 square, it will form 256 plus 12 square 144 and under the root. So it will form total of root 400 and root 400 will equals to 20. So answer will be 20. So distance between Roy's initial position and town hall is 20. So option number C. Clear? That's it. Now third question and last question. Which of the following statement is not true? So we have to find which of the following statement is not true. So point A is, point D is southwest of point Q. So let's see, point D. So here is point D in the southwest of point Q. So point Q is here. So it is right because D is in the southwest of point Q. So this is right. So it can't be in our right answer. Okay, this can't be our right answer. So this is right. Because we have to find out the false one, which is not true. Second is point C is northwest of point J. So let's see, point C, where is point C? So here's the point C in the northwest of point J. Yes, it is also true because C is in the northwest of J. This can't be our answer. Now point F is west of point G. So F is in the west of G. G is here and F is here. No, it is not in the west. So this will definitely be false. Now check the last one because we have an option that more than one statement is not true. So last option is Roy is north of point F. So F is here and Roy is here. So Roy is north to the north of F. It is to the northeast. So this is also wrong. So we have two statements false. So that as if we have to go with option E, that is more than one statement is not true. Clear? So finally we have done the question regarding that question. So if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section box. And if you really find it helpful, do like the video, do subscribe to the channel and do share it with your friends. And don't forget once again to visit estore.ipsguide.com for the quality mock test series. Thank you so much. Keep watching and keep learning.